2012 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, power lift gate, 4-wheel ABS, driver airbag, power steering, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, auto off headlights, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.